Well, firstly, you need to know history a lot. A lot of ways the court interpret the provisions of our federal constitution, they employ a principle which looks at why these provisions come into our constitution in the first place. What is the historical context? Why are certain words located there? Why did the Reed Commission prioritize this particular language in this particular provision? So all of that requires an understanding of history. And of course, to really get into the depth in constitutional law, you need to know the social political landscape of the country. As lawyers, we need to be aware that that is the context in which many cases are being brought with. So for example, if an opposition politician is slapped with sedition charges, you need to understand the political realities of why that situation is happening. But of course, when we go to court, it is facts and the law which we need to prioritize, we need to present. So history, our socio-political environment, those are two important aspects that I think every good constitutional lawyer should know. Well, I would advise lawyers to never stop learning and improving yourself. Sometimes we think that when we graduate from law school, we know everything and we can learn on the job. But sometimes there are many opportunities such as continuous professional development courses out there. There are many seminars out there. There are many advocacy training courses out there, both at the trial courts and at the appellate courts. So always try to learn from others and learn through these courses. Secondly, how I will continue to improve in this area, maybe find a mentor. So in any industry, a good mentor can really teach you and guide you on how to be the best that you can be in a particular field. So if you're interested in competition law, find someone who is a really established figure in competition law and ask him, what should I do to improve myself? I think that really helps a person to grow and develop as a young lawyer. Well, I have mentors within my current firm and outside my firm. But the single most important thing that they have always taught me, and many people might not think is very important, is to always have integrity in the things that you do. It is not limited to not being corrupt, but very simple things like letting your opponent know in advance that you're going to file something, letting your opponent know in advance that I'll be referring to this case in this court, and you give him a copy beforehand. Just practice good etiquettes in court that will really make people respect you and know that you are an established lawyer who's not going to backstab, who's not going to play dirty. I think your reputation as a young lawyer is very important, and if you practice those good etiquettes consistently throughout your practice, your reputation will precede you, and the monetary benefits and the career benefits will follow.